enchantments will immunize the dead to the sun's rays. They will never suspect an attack in broad daylight. You will take the army I have given and destroy this place.
Yes, sir.
I will burn the Overworld settlements to the ground and claim my throne. Good morning, Carrie.
Good morning, Leah.
Are you working again today?
My father needs the money to get better.
Alright, I will go patrol the village. The next time raiders come, I'll protect this village.
Can you watch the sunset with me? I really like doing it with you.
Yeah, of course. I'll be there. Bye. Zombies in broad daylight. Oh well, something to swing at. I don't know how you managed to survive the daylight, but your luck has run out. What? Sword-wielding zombies. We'll see you standing after this.
Pathetic!
Cannons like John.
Thou shalt not pass!
You mortals are fool to challenge Huski.
You will pay for your crime.
You pay with blood.
Chance. I killed the dragon. You stand no chance. Without helmet, good as dead. I will live on. I fight to live. I fight to protect. This is my way. Your way doesn't matter. You almost a dead man. And chance fades. Impossible.
The truth is so glorious.
Fire again! Ser Gabriel, you came.
Of course I came. My scouts detected the zombies, so I sent a patrol. I was on my way to visit Stephen when I stepped in. Fortunately, we intervened before Sanshire would have fallen. This is Skar's doing. I will go to the Arch-Evoker for more illagers to help us fight. I will go find Stephen. We need all the allies that we can get.
Farewell, Ser Gabriel.
What happened to you?
I got a little cut up. Your face looks pale. Are you alright?
Zombies surprised me and I got scared.
I was scared for you too.
You missed the sunset.
But I didn't miss you.
Master, Knights of Ser intervened, and have sided with the illagers.
The enchantment book reads that the Knights of Ser were all exterminated by the dragon. The Illager Guard has no patrols authorized in this place. How can this be?
See for yourself.
There is only one knight left and you managed to lose. I will find a new pawn to fill your place. The Illagers are leaning on a full-scale civil war. They pose no threat to my power. It is time to visit an old enemy and destroy my rival once and for all. When I steal its power, I will be unstoppable.
You may try.
Hey there, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be making more episodes to continue the series with more storylines and new characters. Be sure to like and subscribe, it means a lot to me. Also, I'd like to thank my friend TheWitherKnight for doing a fabulous job on voice acting for Husky, and thank Miss Independence for stepping in to voice act for Carrie when none of my friends wanted to. I'm talking about you, Megan! And also, thank you, Chipper Shredder, for helping out too. This is so helpful. I used a song called The Hot Wind Blowing by Jamie Christopherson. Check it out on Apple Music or Spotify if you want to listen to the real deal. If you enjoyed my animation, you should check out Mr. Fudge Monkeys and Rainimator on YouTube. They're the source of my inspiration. And also, always remember that I'm very cool. Okay, bye.